Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic integration. In integration we solve one question related to the integration by parts. Integration sin inverse root x minus cos inverse root x divided by sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x dx. Clear? You know that formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, that is pi by 2. Apply this formula. Integration sin inverse root x. In place of cos inverse root x, you can write with the help of this formula, that is pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. Sin inverse root x. And you know that sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x, that is pi by 2. You can write here pi by 2. On simplification, you can write pi by 2 outside. 2 by pi integration sin inverse root x minus pi by 2 plus sin inverse root x dx. On simplification, you know that sin inverse root x plus sin inverse root x, 2 sin inverse root x minus pi by 2. Clear? Now multiply by 2 by pi. 2 by pi into 2, that is 4 by pi integration sin inverse root x dx. 2 by pi into pi by 2, when you simplify 1, integration 1 dx. 4 by pi, let this is equal to I1, let this is equal to I1 minus integration of x 0 level x plus c. This is first equation. Now solve this part. I1 integration of sin inverse root x dx. Integration of sin inverse this root x dx. Let sin inverse root x is equal to t. Sin inverse root x is equal to t. Therefore you can say root x is equal to sin t. Root x is equal to sin t. Squaring both sides, you can say x is equal to sin square t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dx is equal to 2 sin t cos t dt. And formula for 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2t dt. Clear? Now put the value of sin inverse root x, you know, that is equal to t, and dx, that is sin 2t dt. Now use integration by parts further. This is algebraic function, this is trigonometric function. Let this is first and this is second. First function as it is, integration of second minus derivative of first into integration of second whole integration. Right? Yes. Now can you tell me integration of sine 2x? Integration of sine 2x. that is minus cos 2t divided by 2. As a derivative of t with respect to t1 into minus cos 2t upon 2 dt minus t into cos 2t upon 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 and the integration of cos 2t, that is sin 2t upon 2 plus c. Right? Now you know that minus t, put the formula for cos 2t in the form of sine. You know very well, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Apply this formula. 1 minus 2 sine square t by 2 plus 1 by 2, and the formula for sine 2t, that is 2 sine t cos t, and in place of cos t you can write 1 minus sine square t upon 2, 2 to 2 cancel, plus c. Now put the value of t in the form of x. Put the value of t you know, sin inverse root x. Sin inverse root x. And what is the value of sin square t? What is the value of sin square t from here? Sin square t. You can check sin square t x. That is 1 minus 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. And what is the value of sin t? Sin t root x and root 1 minus x plus c. Clear? Further simplify. Minus sin inverse root x, you can write 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 root x into root 1 minus x, multiply, that is x minus x square plus c. This is the value of I1. Put the value of I1 in equation number first. Put the value of I1 in equation number first. Put this value here. Put in first. Therefore I is equal to 4 by pi. Value of I1 put from here. That is 2x minus 1 sin inverse root x upon 2 plus 1 by 2 root x minus x square minus x plus c. Correct? Now multiply by 4 by pi. On simplification, the result is 2 by pi, 2x minus 1 sin inverse root x plus 4 by pi into half, that is 2 by pi root x minus x square minus x plus c. Clear? Okay, thank you, sir.